Jobman's intelligent job scheduling provides automation, transparency, and flexibility. Scheduling has many components, and Jobman's data-driven automation removes the guesswork. Review and add or update the following items to get started. First, add labor centers. Click Create, add the name, and select the operations to link. Selecting and linking public holiday groups will remove these days from scheduling capacity. Add your operations next and link them to a labor center. Set your workflows and include estimated times on each task for completion, including target date calculations for durations between tasks. To add an agenda screen, navigate to the Settings menu. Click Create, add a name and select a type from the drop-down, and click Create again. From here, you'll select the filters to customize the information that will show and add members to the agenda screen. Filtering the information means only the relevant task and operations will show for the members. These are the components that Jobman links and analyzes to optimize your capacity without overloading your resources. The target calendar is a snapshot of your scheduled operations and where all the components that are required for automated scheduling come together. Customize and filter your target calendar view. Use the drag and drop functionality to make changes to the scheduled dates by moving tasks around, filter your view by labor center, or print a copy of the calendar. Remember, help is always just a click away on the user menu panel. Simply type your question and search for what you need. Here is where you will find all the answers and documentation to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.